Hi guys, welcome to day 3 for our sneak peeks. Our November products are just around the corner. Release date is November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Come join me for some Highland cows. I absolutely love this theme. I am so happy you guys chose this theme for November. We put out a poll a few months ago, and this was the fan favorite. Right now I'm just sharing the A2 card fronts. Those are the Rustic Farm card fronts that will be available for individual purchase. They go perfectly with Teresa's one and done die. That die will cut out the sentiments that you get on the back page. Lynn's die is releasing on November 15th. So let's take a look at the paper pad club of the month. I'm going to show you with all options. The option to add the 4x6 stamp set. This stamp set is perfect for your birthday cards. All kinds of great sentiments for birthday cards in here. Love all the different fonts you get. The older and bolder goes perfect with the rugged birthday. Also, the sentiment, another year, another adventure. And then there's some other great sentiments that will go great with the Make-A-Wish collection. So I'm loving the rugged prints in this collection here. So great for your masculine cards. You got a little bit of fishing in here, an outdoorsy feel. There's a happy birthday sentiment on the inside. Just a great paper pad. So I hope you enjoyed that. You can cut out those images to create some focal points on your cards. Then the other collection is Make-A-Wish. So this collection has the coordinating ephemera, and this collection is great for birthday cards or invitations. I love the mint green in this with the pink. It's so pretty. We have lovely birthday prints in here. So I hope you enjoy this paper pad. If you join our paper pad club of the month, you'll get 18% off. If you choose the I Want It All, you're getting the stamp set, the ephemera, and the 2 paper pads. There are options where you can just get the 2 paper pads, or you could just get the 2 paper pads and the ephemera. We also have the Stamp of the Month Club, where you can just get the stamp. So lots of options for you guys. Whatever fits your needs or your budget, we have. So look how cute this ephemera is. I love the little bunny, especially the one holding the balloons. There's a cute little cat. Overall, just really nice birthday images. I think this collection is really sweet. So I'm going to lay this all out for you. We're going to create 2 cards. I'm going to play a little music, and we're going to speed through those, and then I'll meet you back on the other side.
Sun peeks in, time to rise. Coffee in hand, rub my eyes. Cattle to my craft room, set the scene. Pretty paper calling me. YouTube's on, I watch and learn. So many tricks, it's my turn. Cut the paper, stamp just right. Oops, smudged ink, that's alright. Her glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair. Making something with love and care. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Handmade's best, that's what I say. Layer it up, mix and match. Dig through scraps, find the match. The die cut's lost, it was right here. Oh well, time for plan B, my dear. Enamel dots roll off the desk, ribbon tangled, what a mess. But when it's done, hold it high, look at that, oh my, oh my. Her glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair. Making something with love and care. It's not perfect, but that's okay. friends online all say wow. Every card, a hug in disguise, spreading joy one at a time. Sip my coffee, take a sigh. Tomorrow's project's on my mind. One more cut, maybe two. Okay, fine. I'll grab the glue. Her glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair, making something with love and care. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Handmade's best, that's what I say. Glue on my fingers, glitter in my hair, making something with love and care. It's not perfect, but that's okay. Handmade's best, that's what I say. The paper colors, sweet designs, stamps and dies, they all combine. Mix and match, have some fun. A handmade card for everyone. Feeling stuck, no need to fear. Inspiration's always here. Join a challenge, play along. Crafty friends make us strong. Not too shabby, come create. Easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. Too much fuss, not enough time. Matching sets make it all align. Virtual retreats, so much cheer. Craft together all year. See the team, watch and play. New ideas every day. Cut and layer, stamp and glue. Everything's designed for you. Not too shabby, come create. Easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. So grab your paper, grab your glue. Handmade love in all you do. Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every way. So grab your paper, grab your glue. Handmade love in all you do. Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every way. Not too shabby, come create. Easy crafting, no need to wait. Paper pads and ephemera bright, bringing card makers pure delight. So grab your paper, grab your glue. Handmade love in all you do. Not too shabby, here to stay, bringing joy in every way. Bringing joy in every way. Bringing joy in every way.
I hope you enjoyed those cards as much as I did. Meet me back tomorrow for release day, 9 a.m. Central Time. I'll be going live at 10 a.m. Central Time for a live release day party. I'd love for you to meet me there. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.